Hi, this is Greg from the Rio Grande tech support team. Today I'd like to talk to you about fine silver wire. Now let's get started. Fine silver is the brightest of all metals. It is composed of 99.9% silver. This purity makes it softer, and the softness makes it less durable. So when choosing projects for fine silver wire, it's important to take that softness into account. It is easily formed and should be work hardened to retain its shape. Fine silver wire is a perfect material for vitreous enamels because it doesn't oxidize like copper. Fine silver wire is great for fusing and granulation. As with all silver projects, keep in mind that soldering or heating will anneal the metal and change the temper or work hardening of your piece. However, using a laser welder or pulse arc welder will give you the ability to add to your piece while maintaining your temper or work hardening. I hope you found this video on fine silver wire helpful. If you have any questions, contact us.